why and how to fix the Samsung Galaxy S26 shows a yellow triangle with a lightning bolt and a USB icon right here while you are trying to charge the phone. Now this usually shows when you turn off the phone, and the yellow triangle plus the lightning bolt plus the USB on the screen here indicates it is not normal charging. It's a warning symbol. What it means is that it usually indicates a problem with the charging connections, such as moisture or debris detects in the USB-C port right here. It could be an unsupported or faulty cable or charger, charging poles for safety, or it could be that the power not sufficient. It could be coming from a weak charger or a loose connection. For example, this charging cable is connecting to my computer. My computer USB A port only output of 1 amp, so it's very weak. So here I have a stronger charger adapter. When I plug in the USB to a stronger power adapter, it does not show that triangle icon. So that is the reason why if you see that triangle with a USB icon, then simply try to replace or use a different charger, see what happens. Try to use a different USB cable, and also just make sure you clean all the dust and debris in the USB-C port. So always inspect to make sure there is no dust or debris inside here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.